Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, Doctor. At first, I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful and grateful to you for teaching me and provide me information in multivariate design. In my project, I'm talking about discriminant and classification analysis (DCA). Discriminant analysis, it's mean that we different people based on race or cigarette people we group. In DCA, there is another additional use task in which it can be used to assign a new object. Here I'm talking about linear discriminant analysis, LGA. It is a method used in statistic patterns in the data to find a linear combination of features that characterizes or separates two or more classes of objects or events. The resulting combination can be used as linear classifier or more generally for subsequent classification for de-Moivre reduction. Also in LGA, it has a close link with the principal complements, PC. As well factor analysis. LGA tries to model the distinction among the data. In my problem statement, the example is Muntader Automobile SDN PhD provides branded and famous car in Malaysia, such as Myvi, BMW, Honda, and so on. There are two types of cars would be studied, either it's sedan or MVB. Rahman, as researcher for the company, wishes to create a classification model to identify these two types of car models, which is sedan and MVB, by using two measures, such as vehicle speed and mileage. It is the reason why he had used the discriminant analysis to obtain the model. He conducted the statistical analysis by using R software, and the data and output are shown as follows. In this example, I will solve the problem statement by classification with two normal populations. Choose identify cars types, sedan and MVB. We need the classification to assign the new observations. We can certain once we have the data. I created the data in Excel sheet to do analyze. This is my data, sedan, MVB. This is the speed and the mileage. I do the calculation and find the X bar for the speed, the speed for sedan car and the mileage for sedan car. We got this result, and then we take X bar for the second one, which is PV. For the speed plus mileage, we got this value, and then we find the X bar for the X bar 1 and X bar 2. Then we got the overall mean. Then we find the X bar dash 1, X bar dash 2. Then we need the covariance matrix for each group. We use this rule, SI is equal to X bar I over T times X bar I over Ni. Then we calculate this value from X bar dash 1, X bar dash 2, and we get this results. Then calculated each entry in the matrix. Covariance matrix was taken as the pooled sample covariance matrix spot by using this rule, SRT equal to 1 over N summation Ni times SI RT. pooled within groups covariance matrix. This pooled, we calculate square root as n1 minus 1 s1 square plus n2 minus 1 times s2 square divided by n1 plus n2 minus 2. Then we calculate the inverse. The inverse of variance covariance matrix is as pooled inverse. Get this results. Then the equal cost and equal prior discriminant function is y hat equal to a hat dash x. Then we substitute a hat dash with x bar 1 minus x bar 2 dash as inverse x. We calculate these values for x1 and x2. Then we substitute for y hat 1 and y hat 2. We got these results. Then the midpoint between this mean is m hat equal to half times y hat 1 minus y hat 2. We calculate this value minus 95 minus 5957.5424. So we calculate that the speed of the vehicle and the mileage of the vehicle is given that x1 equal to 175 and x2 250,718. So what would this car group for either as by 1 sedan or by 2 MPV? So now we need to allocate x0 to by 1 if y hat not greater than m hat, or else allocate x0 to by 2 if y hat is less than m hat. So we have x0 value, which is x1 and x2. Then we got y hat not equal to minus 0.8055 minus 0.6162 with x1, x2. We calculate this value, which is mean m hat is greater than y hat not. So the new car is MPV model type of car. So I classify it. Then by using I do the analysis by using R. We write this code dt.r.read CSV file, choose header T. Then we find the strd to run analysis using linear discriminant analysis using package mass. Then for build the model, we need the code model LDA dt2 types data equal to dt na dot action equal to na omit cv equal to t. To check the accuracy of the prediction, we need this code prediction predict model new data equal to dt type response data frame. Then we need summary the data. We got this results. For MVP, for the prior probabilities of the group is MVP sedan is 0.5, 0.5. The group means is MVP, or the speed is 142. Then for sedan 127.5. So for the group means the outdoor social Then to find the diag of the for this kinds of cars, MVB and sedan, which is 0.6, 0.6. So then we have the group means the speed for the MVB is 124. The mileage is then the sedan is 127.5. Then we find the coefficients of linear discriminant LD1. The speed is minus 1.827948 e minus 0.2. Then we see the data. We check the data by using data frame, DT prediction, class prediction, $x. Then we summary the data, find the types to length 20, speed, minimum speed is 70. Then we find here the median, mean. Then we find table data types, prediction, class. Okay, that's all in my project. Thank you so much.